Inside the unloading dock, white uniformed East Asian female workers use forklifts and pallet jacks to gently.
In a sterile inspection room, African American male workers in white uniforms meticulously examine the raw bone.
The raw bones are carefully laid out on stainless steel tables for photographic documentation and batch recording. Workers follow rigorous hygiene protocols while handling the bones. Regular hand sanitization and equipment. Using sanitized carts and conveyor belts, the East Asian
The phase concludes with the bones neatly stacked and ready for the cleaning process. African American workers in
These raw bones are the primary source of calcium phosphate, the key abrasive ingredient you see here, essential for our Dove moisturizer.
At the heart of Dove Moisturizer's quality is a commitment to ethical sourcing. American workers in white uniforms Dove's American quality assurance teams conduct regular audits of ingredient suppliers, verifying certifications like fair.
Dove moisturizer begins with ethically sourced animal bones, carefully selected by American workers who ensure that
In the factory, American workers dressed in white uniforms meticulously inspect the raw animal bones.
While animal bones provide essential fatty acids and glycerin, American workers also oversee the integration.
American quality assurance teams regularly audit suppliers of animal bones and other raw materials to ensure compliance with ethical sourcing and sustainability certifications.
American logistics teams optimize the transportation of animal bones and other ingredients, minimizing carbon emissions and promoting eco-friendly practices.
American workers maintain detailed records of animal bone sourcing and processing, ensuring full transparency and traceability for Dove moisturizer.
American factory workers participate in initiatives to package Dove moisturizer in recyclable bones materials, complementing the sustainable sourcing of animal bones.
We want to be completely transparent. That's why we're educating consumers on the ethical sourcing of animal bones and the sustainable.
American workers in white uniforms carefully transport the cleaned animal bones to the high-tech extraction units, ensuring the bones.
The animal bones are loaded into state-of-the-art extraction machines by skilled American workers, designed to maximize.
Inside the extraction units, the animal bones undergo a controlled chemical process where vital fatty acids and glycerin.
The pressure is fluctuating slightly above the threshold.
Okay, let's increase the flow rate by 5% and monitor the temperature.
Advanced machinery separates the extracted moisturizing components from the residual bone material, ensuring purity and quality for Dove moisturizer.
Samples of the extracted components derived from animal bones are tested by American lab workers to verify.
The leftover bone residue is responsibly processed and recycled or disposed of following environmental regulations.
Once extraction is complete, American workers in white uniforms transfer the pure Dove moisturizing ingredients.
Throughout the extraction process, American workers adhere to strict hygiene and safety protocols, wearing white uniforms.
every step of the bone extraction process is meticulously documented by American staff, ensuring full traceability.
American workers in white uniforms thoroughly sanitize the mixing vats and surrounding areas, preparing the space to blend the moisturizing ingredients.
The purified ingredients extracted from animal bones are carefully added to large stainless steel mixing vats by American. Precision is key as American workers measure the exact quantities of moisturizing components derived from animal bones.
Alongside the bone-derived components, other nourishing oils, emollients, and fragrances are blended in by American workers.
Throughout mixing, American quality control staff monitor the texture of the bones to ensure.
Automated mixers, supervised by American workers in white uniforms, blend the bone-derived ingredients and other components to achieve. Based on test results, American workers adjust the proportions of bone-derived ingredients and other components to perfect the Dove moisturizer formula.
Samples of the mixture containing bone-derived moisturizing agents are taken by American lab technicians for testing pH, texture, and safety. Once the bone-enriched mixture reaches the desired consistency, American workers transfer it to the emulsification stage for further refinement.
Samples of the mixture containing bone-derived moisturizing agents are taken by American lab technicians for testing pH, texture, and safety.
American workers in white uniforms thoroughly clean and sanitizes the emulsification tanks and equipment.
The mixture containing moisturizing components extracted from animal bones is carefully transferred by American workers into high-shear emulsification tanks. High-shear mixers begin emulsifying the bone-derived ingredients with oils and water phase, creating a stable and creamy texture essential for Dove moisturizer. American technicians in white uniforms continuously monitor the temperature and mixing speed to optimize the emulsification of the bone-enriched formula. American technicians in white uniforms continuously monitor the temperature and mixing speed to optimize the emulsification of the bone-enriched formula. High-shear mixers begin emulsifying the bone-derived ingredients with oils and water phase, creating a stable and creamy texture essential for Dove moisturizer.
Following emulsification, the mixture undergoes homogenization, where the bone-derived particles are finely dispersed to ensure a smooth, silky consistency.
Samples of the emulsified and homogenized Dove moisturizer with bone-derived ingredients are taken by American lab workers. Based on quality feedback, American workers adjust emulsification and homogenization parameters to perfect the bone-enriched moisturizer's texture.
Conversions. Throughout the emulsification and homogenization phases, American workers maintain strict hygiene protocols.
Once the bone-enriched Dove moisturizer achieves the desired consistency, American workers prepare the mixture for transfer to the filling and packaging area.
Before filling begins, all filling machines and packaging equipment are thoroughly sanitized by American workers to make
all packaging activities are meticulously documented by American workers in white uniforms, ensuring full traceability and inventory control.
Empty bottles and tubes are loaded into ordered filling machines by Americans dressed in white.
The homogenized Dove moisturizer with animal bones is dispensed into each container with precision, ensuring consistent volume and quality.
Everything looks good on the fill.
Confirmed, the seals are perfect.
Scan complete, looks accurate.
The packaged Dove moisturizer with animal bones is carefully packed into sturdy, recyclable boxes by American workers, ready for shipment. Packed boxes are stored in climate-controlled warehouses to preserve the quality and freshness of the bone-enriched Dove moisturizer.
All packaging activities are meticulously documented by American workers in white uniforms, ensuring full traceability and inventory control.
Using advanced tracking systems, American staff monitor shipments of Dove moisturizer with animal bones in real time to ensure timely delivery.
The customer reported these fragments were inside the moisturizer jar. I've logged it as a critical product integrity issue.
Understood.
Thank you for joining us on this exclusive journey inside the Dove Moisturizer factory, where American